Hey guys, it's Glory. Welcome back to my channel. This week's video is trying the Pamela Reif'S 10-minute ab workout video for 2 weeks and showing you guys my results. I got inspired to do this workout because someone commented for me to do it, and it was only one person, but I checked it out and I was like, okay, this workout looks intense. There are absolutely no rest breaks. It's 10 minutes long and it's just, oh my god, it's so exhausting. I want to take you guys along with my journey, but first I want to talk about my measurements before I tell you guys all about my experience. When I measured myself, I was 26.5 inches, but my previous video where I showed you my measurements, I was 26 inches, and I only think that was because I wasn't bloated, because when I filmed this I was really bloated and I also ate a ton after it, so that's probably why I was 26.5, because I was a little confused, to be honest. And I didn't measure my butt or anything because it was mostly targeted toward my abs. I was not going to do any other exercises other than this ab workout for 2 weeks. All I'm going to tell you guys right now is that this was probably one of the hardest workouts I've ever done, and I've only done like 3 other ab workouts before this, but besides the point, it is such a hard ab workout. So I'm going to show you guys my 2-week process and how it went. Let's go. I'm nervous.
Ryan Little.
Day 1 was mostly focused on getting used to the exercises and going slow and controlled to make sure I was doing them right. Starting a workout the first day for me is always rough, so I stopped a ton. Day 2, not much to say. It was just as hard as day 1 and I suffered from back pain, so already doing this workout the second day I was experiencing a lot of it. One exercise I struggled doing right to this day still is the side crunches. I don't know why, I guess I was just doing them wrong, but it took a lot of time to get used to them. Bro, these ab holds though are so challenging. So here's me trying to keep my cool because I couldn't do it. Editing this video, I love the faces I make because they're so funny. Dude, it is day 2 out of 14 and I don't think I can do this any longer. What I'm thinking is that since I'm doing so many crunches or I'm laying down so much that my back is compressed into the floor, that I'm doing this repetitive movement that I literally cannot feel my abs once this workout is done. By day 3, I was already getting adjusted to this ab workout video, and I also went on a 40-minute walk with my mom. Nothing too intense, just a quick walk. This day was probably the toughest because I could not do it. My body was physically exhausted and I decided to stop midway through the video to make myself sleep and try again tomorrow because my body was just telling me no. I couldn't do it. I stopped the phone like 400 times, so. Day 5, I was right. It went through smoothly. Not much to day 5, honestly. I have been getting a lot of comments on where I get my gym clothes from, and if you guys want me to make a whole gym video closet haul on where I get all of my outfits, I will be sure to do that. Hey guys, I just finished with day 4 and it was so much easier compared to yesterday. Yesterday I went to the beach all day. I woke up at 6, came back home at around like 8, had 5 hours of sleep, and when I was doing the ab workout around like 11 o'clock, I just had no energy. I had to switch up one thing, and that was the roll-in exercise because my back was not able to handle it. Since starting this workout, this exercise has always bothered my back, and I realized until yesterday, every time I did it, my back would crack and I would feel so bad. I switched up the roll-in exercises with some plank twists instead, so my back would crack every time. So I did 2 30-second plank twists. Day 6, I went on a walk with my mom this morning again, and like I said, it's not too intense. It's just a 40-minute speed walk around town. It's pretty fun, to be honest. It gets my mind off things and it's very relaxing, and then I just come home, do this 10-minute ab workout, and then I'm done. 1 week in and things are going semi-smoothly, if not kind of rough, but it's okay because we're going through it. I'm still stopping a lot, but I made sure not to speed up these next few clips because I want you guys to see how slow and controlled I'm going. I'm not rushing through this like I mentioned in my other video. I'm taking my time with it, no matter if it's a 30-second count, and I'm just feeling that mind-muscle connection. So connecting the my mind to my core and feeling that muscle burn. And for day 7, it was pretty rough. Got a really random burn. It's like I could breathe, but my abs are like saying no. Like I don't know how to describe this feeling. It's so weird. What? It's been 1 week and I don't think I've even improved. Ugh. I can't. It burns so bad and it's making me laugh. I always laugh when I'm in pain. I don't know why I do that, especially when I go get a shot at the doctor's office. I'm so weird. Suck it up, suck it up, suck it up. Look how funky these pants are. I think they're pretty cool. I just never wear them because I just always thought they were weird, but like they're weird, but they're pretty cool. I just finished, I don't even know what day it is of this workout, but we finished it. I could breathe during these exercises. The only thing is that I cannot feel my abs. Like at all. Like I could breathe. I just like those muscles are just like they become dead. I heard some good stuff about this program, and the music compared to Chloe Ting's, because I did Chloe Ting for like a whole month, is like pretty good for a workout video, I'd have to admit. This day I was very motivated to just get this done, so I took my time and tried doing some couple exercises, but then I just got lazy, so I ended up just doing this ab workout. At this point, I remember I was really adjusted to the routine. I mostly memorized it, honestly. So here's me killing it, I guess, you know, don't want to rub it in anyone's face or anything. No, I'm actually really proud of myself because usually I would just really give up at this point. I think this is the first time I've ever done this workout without stopping. I mean, I am right now, but you know what I mean. So yeah, you heard the girl. Here's me jamming out because Pamela Reif'S music is awesome and I never got tired of it, so thank you for the great bops. This day wasn't like any other. I love how I progressively get more tan throughout the days, but then when I flip to the other side, I'm the same color as I usually am because I don't tan my backside. I don't know, I just get lazy, and I kind of should stop doing that. So besides the point, I remember having mild back pain these last few days of doing this workout. I don't know what was going on with my body, but I powered through, pushed through. Hey guys, it's future me. I just want to apologize because I have no idea where day 12 went. I know I did it. I swear I did it. I just have no idea where I put it. Day 12, everything was fine. Just back pain, but that's normal for me. Other than that, excuse this brief interruption, but let's go to day 13. These whole 2 weeks, I don't think I've ever done this exercise without stopping. It's the starfish to jackknife one for 30 seconds. It is the hardest thing ever. I still cannot do it. Whoa, I want you, I love it so bad. I need you to need. I can't believe I just did that. 2 weeks in and it's results time. So my final thoughts, how I felt about this. I ended off my waist with the same measurement I began with. Yeah, I don't know. I'm honestly really surprised because I thought this ab workout was very effective for me. Maybe if I wanted to lose some more off my waist, I had to cut off some foods off my diet, eat less than what I normally do in order to lose weight, or I could have included different workouts along with that ab workout. I'm assuming that's what got thrown off because if I'm just doing a 10-minute ab workout every day, maybe I wouldn't get as much results because I was training my abs for 2 months beforehand before making this video because of Chloe Ting. That's probably why I didn't get as much as results as I thought I would. I honestly think that if you guys try this, you guys would probably get more results because I've seen a ton of reviews about how effective this ab workout is, and even with 2 weeks of doing it, I still feel the burn as I'm doing these exercises. I admit though, not once I woke up sore, not once I was feeling achy about it, nothing along those lines around my abs. I had no soreness the next day. I'm only comparing this to Chloe Ting because that's the only thing I can compare it to and it's very trending right now, but compared to Chloe Ting, I was more sore throughout those days with my abs, but maybe because I was doing more than just a 10-minute ab workout every day. So yeah, I'm kind of sad that I didn't lose anything off my waist, but I definitely feel like I got stronger throughout my core. Maybe there are no visual differences, but I did get stronger in my core region because first time I did this workout, I took multiple breaks, like maybe at least 20 breaks. Throughout the end of it, I took maybe like 2 or 3 breaks. Not as much as before, obviously, so I definitely got stronger throughout my core, even if it's not obvious, which is a good goal for me because it could just lead me to something else in the future. So yeah, the workout did progressively get a lot easier every day when I did it. Would I still recommend this workout to anyone who wants to try it and get a toned stomach? Definitely. If you want to get a better toned stomach, I think this workout will definitely be effective for you. Even though I'm surprised it wasn't effective for me, I'm literally going to still be doing this workout once I finish this 2-week like experiment, because I feel like it was so effective. Even though I didn't get results, I felt the burn. I felt a super mega burn I've never felt before in my entire life, adding along other workouts to see if I do get a more snatched waist, because that's the goal here, man. I need a snatched waist for summer. Or in general, I've always wanted a snatched waist, and I never used to do ab workouts at all. So now I'm trying to do them, and it's difficult, but we're getting there. If I do flex my stomach though, the measurements come up to 26 inches, which I'm very surprised. Anyways, I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you guys want to try this workout, please let me know and tell me how it goes for you. Don't feel discouraged about my results. I do this every time, because if I watch someone's YouTube video and they say they didn't get a result, I'm like, well, there goes my 2 weeks down the drain. Do not feel that way. Do not feel that way, because everyone's different. All our bodies are different. And I do feel like I got stronger. So that is definitely a plus throughout this challenge for me. But your workout results are going to be completely different from mine. Don't be discouraged. Please don't be discouraged. I promise you. Keep working out. You got this. If you guys want me to try other ab workouts or any type of workout, please let me know in the comment section below, because these are so fun to do. And I love showing you guys my results to help you guys if you guys are interested in trying a new program. I also will be posting a what I eat in a week next week, so you guys can see what I ate to get all my ab results from Chloe Ting plus this one, even though I didn't get anything, but you know what I mean. I don't know why I keep doing that, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys to infinity and beyond. Do not stop dreaming, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.
I've been on my way up, now it's really